In this video, I will show you how to create a ticket via email in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now on the top part of your screen, click on the Settings button. Once you're in your settings board, scroll down to the section labeled Channels and then click on Email. You will now be directed to the email board, where you can see a list of all the connected email addresses linked to your Zoho Desk account. Click on the email address you want to use. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Send Email. You will automatically be redirected to your email client, such as Outlook. From here, you can now compose your message. Enter your customer's email address, subject, and message content. Once you hit Send, Zoho Desk will automatically convert that email into a support ticket. This makes it easy to handle customer communication directly through your email while keeping everything tracked inside Zoho Desk. And that's how to create a ticket via email in Zoho Desk.